have at-home makeup, on-the-go makeup. Does anybody else do that? Like,
am I really that much to handle? Breaking these niggas down like a camera. You don't really know you are.
hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm here to do a what's in my on-the-go makeup bag. This summer and forever after, I plan on being outside, so I made sure I got me a cute little on-the-go makeup bag. This is from Ross. I think it was $5 or $6, and it's so cute. It's jelly, it's sparkly, it has a gold heart zipper, and it sparkles, and it is so cute. I love makeup bags. I love having things handy. So one thing about me, I'm always gonna have a makeup bag in my purse if my purse allows it to. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys what's in my on-the-go makeup bag. If you're interested, stay tuned. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications so you can be notified every single time I post a video. Follow me on all social media platforms at the girl with the flower name, and check the description box down below for any more details. Let's get into the video right now. This makeup bag is from Ross. It was like $6. They opened a Ross by me, and I got this makeup bag, and then I also got my emergency kit, which I did a video on that a couple of months ago, so go check that out. But this is the smaller one, and I have makeup in here. Really cute. I have all my makeup in here, beauty blenders, all of that. It is stuffed to the gill. It has all my makeup, which allows me to do a full face on the go. So let me show you guys. So first off, I have a beauty blender. It's all squished up, which is fine, right? The next thing I have is some powder. So I have a pressed powder. This is the Makeup Revolution powder. It's called Powder Pops. It's in the shade Banana. I want to say, yeah, I think it's in the shade Banana. This is what it looks like. It's really cute. It has a mirror and everything. Perfect for on the go. Super compact. Fits in your hand. It comes with a sponge as well that says Makeup Revolution. So this is perfect for on the go. Love that. The next thing that I have is blush. This is the NYX Buttermelt blush. This is in my Butter Half. Super cute. Can't go wrong with this. It's a cute, super cute pink color. Love a pink blush on me. Looks beautiful. Pink just looks so beautiful on my skin, so I'm always gonna go for a pink blush. Got that. The next thing I have is this e.l.f. Liquid Poreless Putty Primer. You need primer. What's makeup without primer? You need a good primer, and e.l.f. is a brand that I swear by, so yeah, I can't go wrong. e.l.f. Putty Primer. The next product I have is foundation. This is the NYX Professional 36 Warm Rich Make-up Wonder Soft Matte Foundation. It's so cute and compact. It's perfect. It is a little dark for my face, just a little bit, but I still use it because in the summer I plan to get nice and toasty and super chocolate, so this is going to be perfect. And the next product that I have is powder, setting powder. This is the NYX Wonder Snatch powder in the shade Banana Brat, shade number 5. So cute and compact. I feel like it's perfect. And you just open it. Hold on, this has powder in it. I haven't opened it yet, but perfect to set my under eyes, nose, everywhere. Love it. I'm actually wearing it today. I actually have it on today. But I use my at-home one. I have at-home makeup, on-the-go makeup. Does anybody else do that? Like at-home lip gloss, on-the-go lip gloss? Yeah, but I use my at-home one of this, and I put it on. It's so beautiful, so lightweight. Love it. But yes, this is my NYX Makeup Wonder. The next product that I have is setting spray. This is the NYX Matte Finish Setting Spray. This is the 16 hour. Love this. I love how it sprays out. It's so intense, the spray bottle, but I love how it sprays out. It's so nice and just feels like a waterfall. I don't know, I just like the way it sprays. But yeah, I got that. You gotta set the makeup, and I set in between my steps, like concealer, put some setting spray, foundation, put some setting spray, powder, setting spray. Like I set between my steps, so you gotta keep setting spray on you at all times. Next product that I have is a blush. It's a liquid blush. This is e.l.f. Camo liquid blush. This is in the shade Coming in Hot. Coming in hot pink. Very cute. You can't go wrong with that. Love, like I said, I love a pink blush, and a light pink blush with a hot pink. Oh, so pretty. The next product that I have is for my brows. This is the Brow Glue Crazy Lift transparent. It's by NYX. You gotta keep you something for the brows. I don't like to fill my brows in. hardly ever. It's very rare that I fill my brows in. They're pretty full on them. My brows are pretty full on their own, so I just like to use brow glue just to lay them down and give them like a pasted down look, but I don't like to fill them in with a pencil or product or nothing like that. So I love a good product, a good eyebrow product, and NYX is really good for them. The next product that I have is my favorite. It's e.l.f. It's the e.l.f. lash extender. I love this mascara. I have so many of these. I love them. Mine is in pitch black. So perfect. I love this wand. Like, it's so perfect. It's perfect for your top lashes. It's perfect for your bottom lashes. I love this wand. Love it. The next item that I have is concealer. I have Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade. It's 24-hour matte finish. It's in the shade Golden. It's by NYX. So love this. I like this foundation. A little goes a long way. Foundation, I said. I love this concealer. Can't go wrong. It's so lightweight, gets the job done, and it looks flawless. I'm actually wearing it today as well, so yeah, flawless. Then I also have an eyeliner. I have like this little baby eyeliner in black. So cute. I got it in like a gift set for Christmas, so I thought, oh, this is perfect. It's really tiny, but yeah, it's like this black pencil. So yeah, perfect. And then I also have brushes. I have like little brushes for powder, eyeshadow, stuff like that. So love that. The next items that I have are from Dollar Tree. They are by the Ioni brand. This is the Ioni Ultra Hold Brow Glue. So if I don't want to use the NYX one, I can use this one. It's from Ioni. Very cute. Yeah, some brow glue. And then this one is by Ioni as well. And this is the Everlasting 2-in-1 Lash Glue Liner. So not only is it a lash glue, if I ever want to pack a pair of lashes, it is also an eyeliner. So that's why I have it. So I could do a wing liner. It's perfect. It's like perfect. So yeah. The last item that I have is a lip gloss. This is the Jelly Job Lip Gloss in Jelly Blushing. So pretty. That's what it looks like. Can't go wrong with this. You want to make sure you have you a nice lip gloss, and I love a pink tone on me. It looks so pretty, so yeah, gotta keep this on you. So yeah, that's it. That's all. This is all my belongings. I got them all back in. I got everything put back in here, so it's nice and perfect. It's very convenient, and I don't gotta be stressing. I don't have to be stressing and like, I gotta get my products together. Where are my products? They're all at one spot. Take the bag in and out, put it in any bag that fits it, and it's really little. Like, it can fit in my hand. It's really tiny, or maybe I just have big hands. I don't know, but it's really convenient. It's really tiny, and I can just put it wherever I need to put it. Take it with me in the car, in my purse, luggage. It's just perfect. It's convenient, and the makeup is really affordable, and it's the best products. I swear by these products. You guys have watched me use these products in my makeup tutorial, so this is not like it's a fluke and I'm just saying anything. No, these are products that I use on a regular basis. So yeah, that's it. That's all. This is what's in my on-the-go makeup kit. I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being here. See you guys in my next one. Bye.